Want to know the secret ingredient in my boom boom sauce recipe? Stay tuned and I'll show you. I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper, and I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Welcome to my kitchen. Today, I'm showing you how to make this amazing boom boom sauce. Now, this is different than bang bang sauce. Instead of a bang, we have a boom. This sauce is a knockoff of a Sheetz sauce. Sheetz is a gas station mini mart chain in the Northeast, and this stuff is a flavor bomb. Make sure you stay tuned to the end to learn the secret ingredient that takes this stuff over the top. And be sure to grab the full printable recipe in the video description below. So wait till you see how easy this boom boom sauce is to make. It's just a handful of ingredients, but the flavor is nuts. So it starts with mayonnaise. Regular, plain old mayonnaise. I prefer Duke's, it's my favorite, but you can use whatever you like. Just don't use the Miracle Whip because that has other flavorings in it. Okay, good. Mayonnaise is in. Next up, we're adding some ketchup. So that's gonna give us a little sweetness and then that nice tomatoey flavor. And to that, we're gonna add my favorite, some garlic powder. Yep, yum, yum. Then comes the heat. This is the boom in the boom boom. We're going to add a little bit of Sriracha. Now, if you don't like the heat, you can always add less Sriracha. I wouldn't omit it altogether. Just add just a small amount and work your way on up. Now for the secret ingredient, and this is the one that really kicks up the flavor of this sauce, and it is the sweet chili sauce. This is in the Asian aisle, you get it? It's got the red chili flakes in it. It's sweet, it's garlicky, it's got a little bit of a kick to it, but not too much. It's fantastic. It takes this sauce over the top. So now I don't have confirmation if this is the actual Sheetz recipe for boom boom sauce, but it's pretty darn close. So that's it, just a handful, 5 ingredients here. Whisk it all up. Now in my house, this would not be nearly enough. I have to usually quadruple this recipe, but for the average person, this might be enough. So we're just gonna whisk it all up like this. Now, let me tell you, the longer this sauce sits, the better it gets. All those flavors just start to come together. So if you think you're going to want to make this for dinner tonight, I would make it in the morning or even the night before and let it sit and really let those flavors develop and come together and marry and become one delicious amalgamation. So we have this all mixed up. I'm gonna pour it into my serving bowl and refrigerate it for a little bit, and then we're gonna come back and give it a try. Can you believe this is only 5 ingredients? So quick and easy, but so flavorful. You're going to want this drizzled on everything. Now, I cannot wait to dig in, so I'm going in. I've got some fries here. Just look at that. Nice big dip. I love it. The flavor is off the charts, and it's not too spicy. I know we put a bit of Sriracha in there and you think it's going to be in your face hot. It's not. It's absolutely perfect. It's the right balance of sweet and garlic and spice and Listen, you could put this on everything. Burgers, fries, onion rings, chicken nuggets, shrimp tacos. It is fantastic on shrimp tacos. I have a recipe on my website for that. I'll include it in the show notes. You're gonna want that one. This boom boom sauce is definitely a keeper. I think you're gonna love this flavor explosion. There are so many great sauce recipes out there. I have an amazing campfire sauce recipe you can make in about 5 minutes. It's smoky and delicious. You don't wanna miss it, so you can check out the recipe here. I'll see you over there.